Hey everyone, welcome back to English in Real Life. I'm Ray.
And I'm Mia. Hey, Ray, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, Mia. Actually, I just got back from a walk in the park near my house. The weather's so nice today.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. I love being outside when the weather is good. You know, I was just thinking we should talk about nature today.
Nature? That's a perfect topic. Yeah, I agree. Nature is all around us, and it's something we talk about every single day.
Exactly. And for our viewers learning English, talking about nature is so useful. We talk about the weather, we talk about plants, animals, the environment.
Right. So today, we're going to have a nice, relaxed conversation about nature and the environment. We'll use simple English, just like how real Americans talk every day.
And we'll take our time, speak slowly and clearly so you can follow along easily. Sound good?
Sounds perfect. All right, let's get started.
So, Ray, when you were at the park this morning, what did you see?
Oh, I saw so many beautiful things. First, there were lots of trees. The leaves are changing colors right now.
Oh, the fall colors. I love that. What colors did you see?
I saw red, orange, and yellow leaves. They're so pretty. Some leaves were falling to the ground, floating down slowly.
That's such a peaceful image. I can picture it. Did you see any animals?
Yes, I saw some birds. I'm not sure what kind they were, maybe sparrows? Small brown birds.
Yeah, I'm not good with bird names either. I just call them little birds or big birds.
Exactly. I also saw a squirrel. It was running up a tree, carrying something in its mouth.
Probably a nut. Squirrels love to collect nuts for the winter.
Right, they're preparing for winter. Smart little animals.
They really are. You know, Ray, I think nature is so calming. When I'm stressed, I like to go outside and just breathe.
I totally understand. Fresh air makes you feel better, doesn't it?
It really does. I live in the city, so sometimes it's hard to find quiet nature spots. But there's a small garden near my apartment.
Oh, that's nice. What's in the garden?
Well, there are some flowers, roses, daisies, and some I don't know the names of. There are also benches where you can sit.
That sounds lovely. Do you go there often?
I try to go at least once a week. Sometimes I bring a book and just sit there for an hour.
That's a great habit. Being in nature, even a small garden, is good for your mental health.
Absolutely. It helps you relax and forget about your problems for a while.
You know what I miss? I miss going to the beach.
Oh, the beach. When was the last time you went?
Maybe 2 years ago? It's been too long.
Wow, that is too long. What do you love most about the beach?
I love the sound of the waves. It's so soothing. And I love walking on the sand with no shoes on.
Barefoot on the beach. Yes, that's the best feeling. The sand is soft and warm.
Exactly. And the ocean is so big and beautiful. It makes you feel small, but in a good way.
I know what you mean. It reminds you that the world is huge and your problems are actually pretty small.
Right. It gives you perspective. Have you been to the beach recently?
Actually, yes. I went about 3 months ago with my sister.
Nice. How was it?
It was amazing. We went early in the morning around sunrise.
Sunrise at the beach? Oh, that must have been beautiful.
It was incredible, Ray. The sky was pink and orange, and the water was so calm.
I'm jealous. That sounds like a perfect morning.
It really was. We collected seashells, too.
Oh, I used to collect seashells when I was a kid.
Me too. I still have some in a jar at home. They remind me of good times.
That's sweet. Memories connected to nature are special.
They are. So, Ray, what's your favorite season?
That's a tough question. I think I'll say spring.
Spring? Why spring?
Because everything comes back to life. The flowers start blooming, the trees get new leaves, the weather gets warmer.
That's true. Spring is like nature's fresh start.
Exactly. It feels hopeful. What about you, Mia? What's your favorite season?
I love fall. I know we just talked about fall colors, but that's why I love it.
Fall is beautiful. The colors are amazing.
Yes, and I love the cool weather. It's not too hot, not too cold. Perfect.
And you can wear cozy sweaters.
Yes, sweater weather is the best. And fall has nice smells too.
Smells? Like what?
Like crisp air, burning wood from fireplaces, pumpkin spice.
Ah, yes, pumpkin spice. Very American fall smell.
It's true, but seriously, I love the smell of leaves and rain in the fall.
Rain. That's a good topic. Do you like rain, Mia?
Sometimes. I like it when I'm inside, warm and cozy.
Right. Rain is nice when you're not stuck in it.
Exactly. How about you? Do you like rain?
I actually do. I like walking in light rain.
Really? You're braver than me.
I find it refreshing. And the smell after rain, that's the best.
Oh, I agree with that. The smell after rain is wonderful. It smells clean and fresh.
There's actually a word for that smell. It's called petrichor.
Petrichor? That's a fancy word.
Yeah, I learned it a few years ago. It means the smell of earth after rain.
Wow, I didn't know there was a word for that. English is interesting sometimes.
It really is. You know, Mia, we should talk about taking care of nature too.
Yes, the environment is so important. We need to protect it.
Absolutely. What do you do to help the environment?
Well, I try to recycle everything I can. Plastic, paper, glass.
That's great. Recycling is really important.
I also try to use less plastic. I bring my own bags when I go shopping.
Reusable bags. Yes, I do that too. Those plastic bags are terrible for the environment.
They really are. They end up in the ocean and hurt animals.
It's sad. Sea turtles and fish sometimes eat plastic thinking it's food.
That breaks my heart. We have to do better.
We do. I also try to save water and electricity at home.
How do you save water?
Simple things, like I don't leave the water running when I brush my teeth.
That's smart, and it's such an easy thing to do.
Right? And I take shorter showers. Not too short, but shorter than before.
Hey, we still need to get clean, but yes, shorter showers help.
What about electricity? Do you do anything to save energy?
Yes, I turn off lights when I leave a room, and I unplug things I'm not using.
Unplugging things is good. Many people don't know that electronics use power even when they're turned off.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's called phantom power or vampire power. If it's plugged in, it uses a little bit of electricity.
That's crazy. I'll have to unplug more things now.
See? We're learning together.
We really are. Pause. Ray, do you worry about climate change?
Honestly, yes, I do. It's a serious problem.
I worry about it too. The planet is getting warmer.
Yeah, the ice in the Arctic and Antarctic is melting.
And that makes the ocean levels rise, right?
Exactly. And we're seeing more extreme weather, stronger hurricanes, bigger wildfires, worse droughts.
It's scary, but I try to stay hopeful.
Me too. I think if we all make small changes, it can make a big difference.
That's true. Every little action counts.
Right. Like, imagine if everyone in the world used one less plastic bottle per week.
Wow, that would be millions and millions of plastic bottles saved.
Exactly. Small actions become big when everyone does them.
That's encouraging. We're not powerless.
Not at all. You know what else I've been thinking about?
What?
I want to try growing my own vegetables.
Oh, like a little garden?
Yeah, I want to try growing tomatoes and maybe some lettuce.
That's awesome, Ray. Have you ever grown vegetables before?
Never. I'll probably kill the plants at first.
You'll learn. It takes practice. My grandmother has a vegetable garden.
Really? What does she grow?
She grows tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and herbs like basil and parsley.
That sounds wonderful. Does she share the vegetables with you?
All the time, and they taste so much better than store-bought vegetables.
I bet. Fresh vegetables are the best.
They are. And growing your own food is good for the environment too.
How so?
Well, there's no plastic packaging and the food doesn't have to travel far. It reduces your carbon footprint.
Carbon footprint. That's the amount of carbon dioxide you create through your actions, right?
Exactly. Like driving a car increases your carbon footprint.
And flying in airplanes too, I think.
Yes, planes create a lot of carbon emissions.
It's interesting how everything connects. The choices we make affect the planet.
They really do. Pause. Have you ever gone camping, Ray?
Oh yes, I love camping. I went camping last summer actually.
Where did you go?
I went to a national park in the mountains. It was beautiful.
That sounds amazing. What was it like?
Well, we set up tents near a lake. The water was so clear you could see the bottom.
Wow, that's rare these days.
I know. It was pristine nature. At night, we made a campfire and roasted marshmallows.
Classic camping activity. Did you see many stars?
Oh my gosh, Mia. The stars were incredible. There was no light pollution, so you could see thousands of stars.
I love that. In the city, you can barely see stars.
Right, there are too many lights. But in nature, far from the city, the night sky is breathtaking.
That must have been a magical experience.
It really was. We even saw the Milky Way.
No way! I've never seen the Milky Way in person.
You should go camping someday. It's worth it.
I've actually never been camping.
Never? You should try it.
I'm a little scared. I'm not really an outdoors person.
What are you scared of?
I don't know. Bugs? Bears? Sleeping on the ground?
Those are valid concerns. But camping isn't as scary as you think.
Really?
Really, you can start with easy camping. Go to a campground with bathrooms and showers.
Okay, that sounds better.
And you can bring an air mattress so you're not sleeping directly on the ground.
That would help. What about bears, though?
Most campgrounds don't have bears, and if they do, you just need to store your food properly.
Properly? How?
You put your food in a special container or hang it in a tree away from your tent.
So the bears don't come to your tent looking for food?
Exactly. Bears usually avoid humans anyway. They're more scared of us than we are of them.
Maybe I'll give camping a try sometime.
You should. It's a great way to connect with nature.
I like the idea of that. Just being in nature, away from phones and computers.
Yes, disconnecting from technology and reconnecting with the earth.
That sounds peaceful. Pause. Ray, do you have any pets?
I have a dog. His name is Max.
Aw, what kind of dog?
He's a golden retriever. He's big, fluffy, and very friendly.
Golden retrievers are the sweetest. Does Max like nature too?
Oh, he loves it. He gets so excited when we go to the park.
Dogs love being outside, don't they?
They do. Max loves sniffing everything, chasing squirrels, and running through grass.
That's adorable. I bet he makes your walks more fun.
He definitely does. Walking Max every day forces me to go outside even when I don't feel like it.
That's actually a good thing. It keeps you active and in nature.
Exactly. Pets are good for us in many ways.
I agree. I don't have any pets right now, but I love animals.
Would you want a pet?
Maybe someday. I travel a lot for work, so it's hard right now.
That makes sense. Pets need attention and care.
They do, but I love seeing animals in nature, like when I see birds or butterflies.
Butterflies are beautiful. Have you ever seen a monarch butterfly?
I have. They're orange and black, right?
Yes, and they're amazing. They migrate thousands of miles.
Really? That tiny creature travels that far?
It's incredible, isn't it? Nature is full of wonders.
It really is. You know, Ray, I think we take nature for granted sometimes.
What do you mean?
Well, we have trees that give us oxygen, water that we can drink, food that grows from the earth.
You're right. We don't appreciate these things enough.
And we have such beautiful places: mountains, rivers, forests, deserts.
The diversity of nature is amazing. Every place is different and special.
Exactly, and we need to protect all of it.
We do, for ourselves and for future generations.
Our children and grandchildren deserve to see the same beautiful nature we see.
Absolutely. That's why environmental protection is so important.
This conversation is making me appreciate nature more.
Me too. I think I'll go for another walk later today.
That's a great idea. Maybe I'll go to my garden and sit for a while.
Perfect. You know, Mia, I'm glad we talked about this today.
Me too. Nature is such a positive topic.
And it's something we can all relate to, no matter where we live.
That's true. Everyone has access to some form of nature.
Even in big cities, you can find parks or trees.
Right. We just need to look for it and appreciate it.
And take care of it.
Definitely. Small actions like recycling, saving water, using less plastic,
Every little bit helps.
it does. I feel inspired now.
Inspired to do what?
Inspired to spend more time in nature and take better care of the environment.
That's wonderful, Mia. I feel the same way.
Maybe we can both challenge ourselves this week.
A challenge? I like it. What kind of challenge?
Let's try to spend at least 30 minutes outside every day this week.
In nature?
Yes! Walking in a park, sitting in a garden, anything outdoors.
I love that idea. And let's also try to reduce our plastic use.
Yes, bring reusable bags, use a refillable water bottle.
Perfect. We can check in with each other at the end of the week.
Deal. I'm excited about this.
Me too. And to our viewers, you can try this challenge too.
Yes, spend time in nature this week and notice how it makes you feel.
You might be surprised by how much better you feel.
Nature has a way of healing us and making us happy.
It really does. All right, I think we should start wrapping up.
Already? This conversation went by so fast.
Time flies when you're having a good conversation.
It really does. But yes, let's summarize what we talked about today.
Good idea. So, we talked about our favorite seasons.
Fall for me, spring for you.
Right. We talked about the beach, rain, and different weather.
We talked about animals, plants, and flowers.
We discussed ways to help the environment, like recycling and saving water.
We talked about climate change and why it's important to take action.
And we shared personal stories about camping, pets, and spending time outside.
This was such a nice conversation, Ray.
I agree, and I hope our viewers learned some useful English vocabulary about nature.
Yes, words like trees, leaves, flowers, birds, beach, ocean, waves, rain, recycling, environment.
Climate change, seasons, camping, garden, pollution.
So many useful words.
And remember, you can practice using these words in your daily life.
Talk about the weather with your friends.
Notice the trees and flowers around you.
Discuss environmental issues.
The more you practice, the more natural it will feel.
Exactly. English becomes easier with practice.
Well, I think that's a good place to end.
I think so too. Thank you for this conversation, Ray.
Thank you, Mia, and thank you to everyone watching.
Yes, thank you for watching English in Real Life.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation about nature and the environment.
If you did, please give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel for more natural English conversations.
Leave a comment below and tell us your favorite season.
Or tell us how you help the environment.
We'd love to hear from you.
And remember to take that challenge we talked about.
Yes, spend 30 minutes in nature every day this week.
Notice how it makes you feel.
Take care of yourself and take care of nature.
All right, everyone. Until next time.
Keep practicing your English.
And keep enjoying the beautiful world around you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.